Good afternoon, my name is Marjorie Hernandez and I will be doing Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation number 3, and I will be making a Volcano. This is for General Chemistry 125, Professor Dr. Capps. The description is as follows. Acid-base reactions occur all around us. Your body is full of acids and bases that constantly interact. Today we are going to do an acid-base experiment and make a bit of a mess. Mixing a vinegar, a weak acid, with baking soda, which is a weak base. It will cause an extreme effect. My job is to pretty much explain how the reaction occurs and all that. Okay, so we are going to make a volcano. The items that I need are the water bottle, vinegar, and a little bit of baking soda, and a paper towel. And I have a little bit of a basin so it doesn't go everywhere, because I think it's gonna go everywhere. I think like once I put in the baking soda in the bottle, the vinegar it's put in, it's going to react, maybe not as fast but slowly, and then it's probably going to explode. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. So this is my paper towel. It may be a little too big, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. Baking soda. Excuse the background noise because I am at work. I think that's a fair amount of baking soda. So I poured the baking soda, as you can see, in here. I'm going to fold it up. And place it in the bottle. Okay. Now I'm going to take the vinegar and let's see what will happen if I'm right. I think some of the baking soda actually fell out of the if I add a little more. Let's see what would happen if I add maybe a little bit more baking soda. So I think whoops. And there it goes. Oh. A piece of paper towel came out. Okay, so this is my volcano experiment. So from what it looks like, a good amount of the baking soda was left in. Okay. So what happened? My experiment produced a carbon dioxide gas by mixing vinegar and baking soda together and causing a reaction. The reaction produced a lot of bubbles, in which it caused the bubbles to push up and cascade outside of the water bottle and down, similar to a volcano would. Now with the baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate, which is an acidic salt. Is fine. And it's made by neutralization from a strong base and a weak acid. It becomes weakly alkaline when it's dissolved in the vinegar. Now with vinegar is a weak acid, and it gets mixed with baking soda and acid-based, which is an acid-based neutralization reaction occurs. This reaction is what produces the carbon dioxide. And that was my experiment. Hope you guys like it. Hopefully I did it right.